Hey y'all, so I am back with another video for the nostalgia shorts. This is part two, and I was supposed to upload the video like 2 weeks ago, but I don't know what happened. But honestly, I already recorded the video, so I decided to redo the video because I didn't like what I recorded. I don't know, I just didn't like it. I felt like I didn't look my best in the video, and those were supposed to be my comeback video, and I feel like I didn't look my best. So I'm like, you know what, let me redo the video or whatever. I think that's why I took so long to upload the video, because I didn't really like it. So I'm like, let me redo the video. It was only 10 minutes. So yeah, let's go. So, all right, so to continue on, I got on my Family Matters shorts. As you can see. And I paired it up with my crop blue jean shirt, well, with the zipper in the back. And it goes with the skirt, as you've seen in the previous video. I'm not really trying to do a pair up. Like I said before, I'm not trying to really do a pair up. I'm just pairing these shorts up with something to like give it a look or something. But yeah. Yeah. I like it. And I'm not going to remember all of what I said in the first video. Honestly, I was talking too much about little random stuff. So, you know. Yeah. All right, next. All right, so next is Nickelodeon. Nickelodeon was my favorite network to watch growing up. All I watched was Cartoon Network or Nickelodeon. Like, those were the only like two networks I would watch, and Disney Channel as well. But other than that, it stayed on Cartoon Network, Nickelodeon, or Disney Channel, especially Cartoon Network. So yeah, but here's the bag. And then I paired it up with my crop blue jean jacket. Just for right now, because I just wanted to pair it up with something to make the shorts pop a little bit more. So yeah. Yeah, I get the muscles. The muscle in my legs coming through. Yeah. Yeah, y'all like this? I like this little pair up. I wouldn't go outside like this though, but yeah. Yeah, I don't think I would. Unless it depends on where it's at. Unless I'm using it like a cover up for like a bathing suit or something. Yeah, but just like this, no. Yeah. All right, y'all, next. I definitely glad I decided to redo this video. All right, y'all. All right, next, 106 in Park. You couldn't do nostalgia shorts without doing 106 in Park design. 106 in Park was my favorite BET show video countdown show out of all the shows that they had on BET. Those were the days. Those were the days. And they just celebrated 25 years at the BET Awards. So yeah, I still gotta watch that full thing. I only saw clips of it. But yeah, 106 and Park was my favorite show on BET. And they need to bring it back. They really do though. But the vendor did good, like printing out these designs onto the shorts, because the designs that I sent them wasn't the best quality. Like this one, it wasn't the best, but I made it, well, I kind of, made it a better quality when I sent it to them. But yeah, they turned out good on the shorts. Yeah. And I paired it up with my Queen 1992 shirt. Y'all already seen this before when I paired it up with something else. So yeah. Alright, that's all I have to say right now about this one. Alright, it's time to get into the next one. Alright, next. So, as you can see, I got the Brady Bunch. The Brady Bunch was my favorite, well, one of my favorite sitcoms, Caucasian sitcoms back in the day as well. The Brady Bunch wasn't the 90s. The Brady Bunch was like the 70s, early 80s. So yeah. So I just caught the reruns when they used to play it on Nickelodeon or Nick at Night, whatever network they used to play. But the Brady Bunch was my favorite, Caucasian family show. I'm more into black sitcoms, stuff like that. I rarely watch Caucasian sitcoms. I would watch Lizzie McGuire on Disney Channel though. I like Lizzie McGuire. That's it. Lizzie McGuire or the Brady Bunch. Those are the only Caucasian shows I like, cause I mostly like black shows. I like anything black. Like that's just what I was into. I was into more urban sitcoms than But anyway, so I got the Brady Bunch in cartoon version. And I paired it up with my blue jean corset button down. Yeah, that's what it's called. I'm like, what do this stuff be called? So yeah, it's like a corset blue jean button down. That's what the first one was. I was like, what is it? Well, yeah. I just paired it up with the short just to make the short pop a little bit, just to give it a look. Once again, I'm not really trying to pair it like that, but yeah. So yeah. And let me know in the comments which one is your favorite so far. It's giving really, I just want to add, it's giving real poetic justice, but except for these are twists and not braids, but it just giving that poet justice. Okay. All right, y'all. Oh, y'all, this is the last look. I was about to say next, but yeah, I'm about to do part 3. So stay tuned for part 3. Part 3, I will have 4 more nostalgia shorts, and that will be it for the nostalgia shorts. So yeah, so I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe for more videos like this. And if you made it towards the end of the video, make sure you drop a purple heart in the comments or whatever. And yeah, I'm gonna try to get the ball rolling. I can't make no promises though. I'm doing other channels. Anyway, so yeah. All right, y'all. I'll see y'all in the next one. Bye bye.